All right, we're checking out this RawMaxx SLX 20-foot car hauler. Steel floor, rock guard, 7K torsion axles. Let's go take a closer look. All right, we're taking a closer look at this RawMaxx SLX steel floor car hauler. At the front, you'll see we have an adjustable Demco coupler, 12K drop leg jack. We have this really nice looking integrated toolbox, rock guard. And this trailer has two 7,000-pound axles. Let's take a look at the VIN sticker here. You'll see that it has a GVWR of 14,000 pounds and a GAWR of 7,000 pounds. All right. Again, we've got our rock guard, and we have tie downs everywhere. We have D-rings, we have stake pockets, we have keyholes for our chains to drop into. We even have more, check this out, we even have more tie down spots here on the side. We have our Black X fender liner. These are drive over fenders, so we get the full 102 width. We have 7K torsion axles. These are 235/80 R16 tires. Again, we have tie downs everywhere. Slide out ramps. This is a really versatile car hauler because of its weight capacity. We can haul cars, side by sides. We can even get into quite a bit of equipment. So, super versatile trailer. We have a winch plate here on the front. Again, we have more storage if we want to put chains, binders. We have some tie down spots here as well. Spare tire mount. Again, this is a RawMaxx SLX. It's a 20-foot unit available at NC Trailers, #1 rated trailer dealer in the Carolinas. We have sold and serviced over 10,000 trailers since 1996. If you're interested, call, come by, check us out on the web, nctrailers.com. We'd love to hook you up.